Hi everybody, Pat McCarry here. Welcome back to the hidden world of maths. So you might remember last time we had the bat and the ball question. And what we found out was that our minds jump to the fastest answer possible. That's our default. And often we don't check back to see if the answer fits the question. And we call that system one thinking. We need maths so that we can step back, and we have a method of checking. So today we're going to look at a different problem, a different question. Again, we're about curiosity. We're not about right or wrong. We don't want stress here. I'll present you with a question, and again, I'll ask you to freeze the video. So here's the question. We have a lily pond. We have a lily pad in the middle of the pond, a small lily pad, and it's going to double each day. That's how it's going to grow until it fills the whole pond. So the question is, if it doubles each day, and it fills the pond after 48 days, how many days does it take to fill half the pond? So I've done a little bit of artwork. Here it is to show my lily pad in the middle of the pond. The area grows, doubles every day, and it fills the pond after 48 days. How long till it fills half the pond? So have a go, freeze the video, and then come back and join me for the review. Okay, welcome back. How did you get on? So a lot of you may have come up with the answer of 24 days. It's 24 days to fill half the pond. Now surprisingly, it actually takes 47 days to fill half the pond. Okay, 47 days to fill half, 48 days to fill it, because we're doubling the 47th day. Now with this one, our mind, because we are surrounded by things which tend to grow steadily in a linear fashion and a smooth fashion, our mind jumps to that. It is not used to feeling this idea of doubling with exponential growth. So here is how our minds typically work, whereby you can see a linear graph, and after 24 days we think, right, it fills half the pond. Okay, well, this question, it doesn't work like that. It works more like this. Exponential growth, slow at the start, and then we get huge jumps as the time goes on. So you can see there, with that graph, how on the 47th day, we're half, on the 48th day, it's full, that pond is full. Now we see this with the growth of viruses, population growth, we see it with compound interest with money, and we're all familiar with that. Okay, so this takeaway is that we look for smooth growth. This is exponential growth, and that is where we struggle. So thanks ever so much. I do have a challenge for you this week. I'd like you to take away, have a go at this, and drop your comments in below. So I'm offering you, not really, but theoretically I'm offering you £100,000 lump sum today. Or I can give you 1 pence, which doubles every day for a month, and then you get the amount of money that accumulates to at the end of the month. Have a go, have some fun, drop your comments in below of what you get as your answer. Which of these would you choose? Great seeing you, look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.